Hey, this is 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐿 with 𝐒𝐔 Realty. Thanks for joining me again today. We're in Bluff Park. It is one of the most popular places in all of Hoover. Looking at a house, it's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, listed for $625, just recently renovated, and I'm telling you, it is beautiful. I'm not sure who did the renovations, but they did a great job. Let's go take a look. Let me know in the comments what you think. Again, thanks for joining me. Check out this beautiful house. It's obviously staged, but it is staged very well. And it has been well done. I don't know who renovated it, but they've done a very good job. You got a nice pantry right here. New windows throughout, new plumbing, new electrical, laundry space, little wet bar. You've got all the other bedrooms on this side, and then your master is right here. Your porch, little half bath right here. Here's your master. And it's a very good sized room, especially for over here. Have 2 closets. 1, 2. I love these windows as well. How bright it is in here. You've got bathroom, and then obviously they've got a little sitting area. But check out this bathroom. Beautiful shower. Yeah, like I said, they've got a little sitting area. You could use it as a small nursery, or just how they have it as a kind of a reading room, a little coffee room. Like I was saying, all the other bedrooms are down the other side of the hall. Plus another full bathroom. Hardwoods look great. Again, whoever did it, they did a very good job. Not a huge backyard. Yeah, like I said, not a huge backyard, but got a little carport. Tankless water heater. But you have this little side yard right here. Which is a good size. I mean, that's a pretty good size. Nice shed. I would love to have that. Little side porch right here as well. I mean, it really is just a pretty house.